In this chapter, we'll be working exercises that involve sequences, series, and the binomial theorem. Find the first 5 terms and the 12th term of a sequence with general term a sub n equals 1 over n squared plus 1. So we begin with n equals 1. So a sub 1 would be equal to 1 over 1 squared plus 1, which is 1/2. So the first term is 1/2. The second term, a sub 2, would be equal to 1 over 2 squared plus 1. And that's equal to 1 over 4 plus 1, or 1/5. So our second term is 1/5. A sub 3, the third term, would be 1 over 3 squared plus 1. That's 1 over 9 plus 1, or 1/10. And that's the third term. The fourth term, a sub 4, would be equal to 1 over 4 squared plus 1, which is 1 over 16 plus 1, which is 1/17. For the fifth term, a sub 5, that would be 1 over 5 squared plus 1, 1 over 25 plus 1, which is 1/26. And now we go to the 12th term, a sub 12 equals 1 over 12 squared plus 1. That's 1 over 144 plus 1. In other words, 1 over 145.